Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Plan with Vivi, and this week we are doing week 3 rewind spread in the Recollections Planner. So real quick, let's just go take a look back at week 1. Here we've got the white space planning going. There is week 2, and we're gonna start week 3 off again with with some white space planning. And this week the kit that did not make it into my Erin Condren is this cute little adorable kit is called the Winter Fairies, and this is by PlanWithTiaTori Designs, and she is on Etsy. So we've got some cute full box stickers, some heart checklists and icons, and a weekend banner. These checklists here, we've got some date covers, some glitter washi and headers. We've got these adorable full boxes. Those are cute. We've got bottom washi going on here. So we're gonna get started on planning this week out. So stay tuned and watch, because it's gonna be fun. Okay, everyone, so here is the plan we've got going on here. I think the colors are very cute and very winter-like, which this week we experienced a lot of winter weather here in Austin. It actually snowed again on that Tuesday, which is the 16th, which is crazy because this is like 3 times already that it snowed in Texas, and it just does not happen. Especially in Central Texas and below that. Panhandle, totally different. But in Austin, yeah, it's kind of rare. So, that's it. Again, this kit is from the PlanWithTiaTori plans, I believe. I'll put the link in the description box for you. And this is the Winter Fairies kit. So, that's it for this Plan With Me rewind spread, and I hope you enjoyed it. To everyone out there in the planning world, take care of you, happy planning, and bye.